Hey everybody, it's Mike and Molly, and we're talking tequila today.
Tequila!
You know, what I encounter a lot, Molly, when I'm in store is folks asking me, hey, what's the difference between a reposado and an anejo?
Right, why should I get one or the other?
Right, exactly.
Yeah, totally.
So I thought today, let's break it down, and let's start with a Blanco. So I got this Don Roberto Blanco right here, and so this has not touched any wood. It is right out of the still, clean, crisp. What am I going to do with that?
You know, it's got lots of those great citrus notes, and I think that makes it perfect, let's be honest, in a margarita.
Yes.
That
So
citrus,
perfect
bright,
margarita.
refreshing, yeah.
Very simple. Keep it simple. Let's keep it simple. Now, if I'm going to touch wood a little bit, at least 2 months, then I'd like to say kissed by oak. So now you're talking about a reposado, and so I got this nice little Caralegre reposado here, and so a little color on it, a little bit of vanilla, a little softer. What are you going to do with that?
So I love, there's a little bit of a savory note in there too, kind of an herbaceousness that goes so well with grapefruit juice. So I love it in a Paloma.
You had me at
Perfect.
grapefruit.
Yeah.
You had me at grapefruit.
Delicious.
Okay, delicious. So beyond that, I'm going to age even further. Anejo is going to be at least 12 months in oak. Now it's more than a kiss, more of like a hug. And so what am I going to make with an Anejo tequila?
Well, one thing I like to point out that makes it make sense is, what do people like who like Anejo tequilas? What's another spirit category, perhaps?
Maybe a bourbon?
Maybe a bourbon. So really excellent and old-fashioned. I like agave instead of simple, and cocoa bitters instead of Angostura, and it's delicious.
Nice touch with the bitter, so I love that. So Anejo tequila is at least 12 months. Now, if I want extra anejo, and so that's going to be at least 3 years in an oak barrel proper. So now we're moving to deep caramelization and a lot of flavor intensity. So I'm thinking maybe a sipper.
I think this you just kind of enjoy, let it really express itself. Yeah.
Really good. So we have a beautiful El Padrino Extra Anejo. Now, just to shake it up a little bit more, there's one other touch that a lot of folks use, which is a Cristalino. And this is a Repo or an Anejo that has been slow filtered through charcoal. So color removed, even some of the flavor. What you're left with is a residual sweetness. What are you
Really
gonna do with that?
easy to drink. Perfect with just soda water. Tequila soda. So easy, so simple.
Love it because there's a little citrus on there.
A little citrus in
So-
there that comes through, exactly.
Gosh, okay, all this talk has made me super thirsty, so I think we should celebrate. We got through tequila.
I got a little something for you to help you with that.
What? Oh, I love it. She always comes prepared. You know what?
Here you go.
What did you make?
This is a little Aprix Paloma. So we talked about Reposado tequila, we've got Reposado El Padrino, some grapefruit juice, and Aprix, a little aperitif.
Cheers, Molly,
Cheers.
and
Have another.